I've made a color-changing volcano. We are going to see if it works. Okay, do it. Ooh.
It's not colored.
The lava. What's the lava?
Red.
Wow, look at that.
Red.
Drop some more on?
Drop.
Get some more. Let Hudson have a turn.
Okay.
Aww.
Oh boy. Back off. It's going to explode on down. And